While on board the train, there is to be no eating, drinking, or smoking of any type. This is not only for the comfort of the guests around you, but also for the safety of all of our animals out on the Ville. If you do have any small children with you here today, whose feet cannot touch the floor of the train, please make sure that they have been seated to the middle of the row, with the adults on the outside edges for their safety. And while aboard the train, please keep all hands, arms, and legs inside the train at all times. And once we do take our leave here of the Nairobi train station, please remain seated throughout the entire journey of our trip until we reach our next destination, which will be Stanleyville. We are currently at the Nairobi train station. The next stop will be Stanleyville. From Stanleyville, it'll make a return trip here to Nairobi. An entire round trip on the train should take around 30 to 35 minutes.
No, let's take the train, the round trip. Let's do the round trip. No, let's do the round trip. No, let's do the round trip.
Yeah, but when you get off over there, the amount of time it'll take.
No, let's do the round. Let's do the round trip.
So it's we're talking Nairobi. No, Stanleyville. I don't know where the park is laid out. Not that far in.
It's not bad side top. It has side cheese.
Where's Nairobi station?
So we need to go all the way around.
This might be closer.